Hi everybody. Today, I will guide you how to crochet a ladybug. Now, let's begin. These are materials we'll be using. First, we make a magic ring. Then we chain 1. Now we will crochet 1 bobble stitch and chain 1. Repeat 10 times. I will give you an example so you can understand. First, we will crochet 1 bobble stitch. To create 1 bobble stitch, we need to take the yarn 5 times. Now, I will take the first yarn. Wrap 1 round around the hook. Then insert the hook into the magic ring. We continue to wrap 1 round around the hook and pull the yarn up. So, we have taken the yarn for the first time. We continue to take the second yarn. We wrap 1 round around the hook. Insert the hook into the magic ring. Continue wrapping 1 round around the hook and pull the yarn up. We have finished the second yarn. We will take the third yarn. We continue to wrap 1 round around the hook. Then we insert the hook into the magic ring and wrap 1 round around the hook and pull the yarn up. We have taken the yarn for the third time. Next, we will take the 4th round of yarn. And take the 5th yarn. After taking enough 5 times of yarn, we continue to wrap 1 round around the hook. Then pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. We just finished 1 bobble stitch. To avoid confusion, I will use a marker to mark this bobble stitch. Then we chain 1. We have completed 1 iteration. We need to repeat this pattern 9 more times. I will continue the example for you with the second iteration. We will crochet 1 bobble stitch. To crochet bobble stitch, we continue to take 5 times of yarn. We take the first yarn. Continue to take the second yarn. Take the third yarn. Take the 4th yarn. And take the 5th yarn. Now we have 5 times the yarn. We continue to wrap 1 round around the hook. Then pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. Now we have 1 bobble stitch. Then we chain 1. Here we have the second iteration. Next, we need to repeat this pattern 8 more times. I have completed 10 repeats. Now we will pull the yarn to close the circle. Now we will make a slip stitch into the marked stitch. Then chain 1. And cut the yarn. We will crochet the same as the previous section of yarn. However, we will not cut the yarn. Here we have the second piece of yarn. Next, we will crochet these two pieces of yarn together. We do one single crochet into each stitch of both pieces of yarn. When we come to the end, we will have 22 stitches. Now, we will do one single crochet into the first stitch of both pieces of yarn. I will use a marker to mark this first single crochet. Next, do one single crochet into the second stitch of both pieces of yarn. Do one single crochet into the third stitch of both pieces of yarn. Repeat the same with the remaining stitches. Here we come to the end of this round. Now we make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then we chain one and cut yarn. Next, we insert the hook into the first stitch. Then pull a black yarn through. And chain one. Continue on the next 3 stitches. We will take the yarn 3 times in each stitch. Now, in the first stitch, we will take the yarn 3 times. The way to take the yarn will be the same as when crocheting a bobble stitch. We will take the first yarn. Then take the second yarn. And take the third yarn. We have taken 3 times of yarn in the first stitch. Next, in the second stitch, I will also take 3 times of yarn. And in the third stitch, take 3 times of yarn. Once completed, we continue to wrap 1 round around the hook. Then pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook. Next we chain 2. And cut the yarn. Now we will hide the tail. Then, we will thread a black yarn through the yarn needle. Insert the hook through the head. Now, we will tie a knot twice at one end of the yarn. Continue tying a knot twice at the end of the remaining yarn. Then cut off the excess yarn. We continue to cut a black yarn and sew it onto the body of the ladybug. Next, we prepare 6 animal eyes 4 mm size. Then glue them onto the body. So we have a lovely ladybug.